Did you know there's a tiny shrimp that can snap its claws so fast it creates a bubble hotter than the surface of the sun? This little creature is called the pistol shrimp. When it snaps, the bubble reaches over 4,700 degrees Celsius and makes a shock wave that can stun or even kill its prey instantly. The sound is so loud it can reach up to 210 decibels. That's louder than a gunshot. What's even crazier is that the snap happens in less than a millisecond, making it one of the fastest movements in the animal kingdom. So don't be fooled by its small size. The pistol shrimp is truly one of the ocean's most powerful tiny assassins,